Well, hello and welcome to the first episode of Outlet TV. I'm Rebecca Morse and I'm joined by stylist Jodi Nash. Hi Jodi.
Hi Beck, how are you?
Good. Now Jodi and I are huge fans of Harbour Town Premium Outlets. How long have you been doing styling here, Jodi?
I've been here for about 12 years, so I've seen it grow and change. It's been amazing. We've got all the new premium brands, so I've loved doing outfits with all the new great shops.
You can always trust Jodi to sniff out all of the best bargains. And I'm a local in the area and my daughter works here, so I am at Harbour Town all the time and I can tell you that there are always really good bargains to be found. Now, Outlet TV, we are going to be fortnightly on the socials, on YouTube and the website, so you can check out the episodes there. Or if you're wandering through Harbour Town, you might catch us filming one of the episodes and we would love you to come and say hi. But it's going to be a really good source of bargains and all those little sort of nooks and crannies that we can sniff out for you that you might not actually see yourself when you're shopping. So Jodes, first off, we are focusing on the sports stores in the Southern Mall.
Yeah, so Harbour Town Premium Outlets have just got all these new sports brands if you haven't been for a while. We've got all the major brands and Adidas has actually opened the biggest store in the Southern Hemisphere. So it's amazing, it's massive. Have you been down to have a look?
I've had a little look. I've picked up a lot of good shoes at Adidas over the years before it moved, but this is bigger and better. I think I'm going to get all my kids' sneakers there for the start of school next year. It's a really good spot. We've also got New Balance, Fila, Adidas, Under Armour, Puma, Lorna Jane, Converse, and heaps more. Calvin Klein has lots of sports gear. There's heaps of options here for sport.
Yeah, great. We've got our first model. So I've dressed a couple of models today in some female sports looks and some stuff for guys as well. So I've got Michelle. So we'll get Michelle to come out. Hi, Michelle.
Hi.
Now, Michelle is gorgeous. She's a Pilates instructor.
I can see, look at that core.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I've just popped her in a Lorna Jane outfit. So when you're doing Pilates, you need a high waist, obviously, so it doesn't ride down. And we've got a little bodysuit, which is super cute. So do you want to turn around, Michelle, and show us that? And then when we're doing like a Pilates or a yoga class, you might want to go and actually go to the shops after or pick up the kids. So you can chuck on something a little bit more dressier. So this is a Lorna Jane. It's actually called a shacket. It's like a shirt/jacket, just to dress it up a little bit.
Shacket? Well, I've learned a new term today.
So this looks great. It's a bit more dressed up. Chuck on some slides. These slides are $9.95 from Seed, which is like ridiculous. So yeah, that's a great look just to go around and do like errands and things like that. Yeah.
And Lorna Jane is an Australian brand, which I actually only realised relatively recently.
Yeah.
So it's always good to support our local brands.
Gorgeous. Thanks, Michelle.
Thanks, Michelle. Beautiful.
So we have Tariq next. Now, Tariq is a Western Strikers soccer player. So here he comes, looking great, Tariq.
Hey.
Great. So Tariq's got Under Armour today. So if Tariq's going for a jog, this is like a jogging type look. Under Armour is quite new to the centre. And they have these really technical fabrics. So we have a rain jacket. This jacket, if it actually rains, the water beads off, it doesn't actually soak into the skin, which is great. This t-shirt is an sweat-proof t-shirt. So if you're sweating, it actually draws the moisture away from your body, which is great. The tights have like an anti-chafe under.
Are the tights part of the shorts?
Yeah, they're part of the shorts, so that's really handy. And these shoes are amazing. These are Bluetooth shoes, so you can actually download an app and track your runs, so you'll know exactly how many Ks you've been, where you've been on a map, and you can beat yourself each time.
Oh, that's great. I'm actually counting my steps at the moment, trying to get 10,000 steps a day. Right. And if the shoes were counting,
will tell you, yes.
That'd be perfect. And then you could just like run on the spot and get your steps up.
Yes.
I like that that's really lightweight, so if you went for a run,
you just take it off. And it actually folds up to a tiny little packet that you can put in your car, so it's great. It's like a little easy to take jacket. So all done. Thank you, Tariq.
And we've got our models coming out with another look now.
Okay, we've got Michelle, and she's wearing New Balance, which is gorgeous. So this kind of a look you could wear. Where would you wear this, Beck, do you think?
I would wear it to Pilates, but then totally for coffee afterwards. I love the sheer panels in those leggings.
Yeah, turn to the side. They're really, really great. The lines, if you're looking for a legging, just make sure you've got that long line seam, that there's not too many like interesting patterns because that's less flattering. But yeah, this looks great. New Balance has got lots of outlet prices. The shoes, you'd actually save $40 on the shoes. So they were $140, they're now $100. So that's a great deal. Thanks, Michelle. So now we have Tariq. So Tarek's in Puma. If you haven't been to our Puma outlet store, it's amazing. It's actually bigger, so I think it's doubled in size. So Tarek's got a little red tee, so just turn to the back. And there's another sports jacket. These are great for spring, the lightweight jackets you can just chuck in your bag. The shoes are on sale. These were $100. They're now $70.
$70 for those shoes?
Yeah, so great. So the total savings on this outfit is about $110, so that's a great saving.
Yeah, I like it.
Thanks, Tarek.
And Jodi, Michelle is coming back with another look for us now.
Yes, Michelle looks really hot in this Puma look. It's super cute. I love the green colour. It's gorgeous. And the shoes are great as well. This whole look from head to toe is under $200, so that's a great saving. Just turn to the back. It's got a really cute racer back. And I quite like those shoes. They're really fresh, white, and the black kind of matches well with the green.
Yeah, I like how the green in the shoes match there. And I really like your abs. Are they on sale here? Can I get the Pilates abs on sale, please?
Gorgeous. All right. Thanks, Michelle.
And finally, we're going to take a look at the new Adidas Superstore. It is the biggest in the Southern Hemisphere. It's so impressive, Jodi. I've already got my eye on a few shoes.
Yeah, gorgeous. We've got Tarek and we've got the guys today in the Originals range from Adidas. So the Original range is like a lifestyle streetwear range. They've got heaps of stock in. New stock coming all the time and great savings. So Tarek's looks super cool. If you want to turn around, Tarek.
He thinks he looks super cool, don't you, Tarek?
Yeah,
you're quite happy with yourself?
He loves it. The Originals range has some cool retro details like the pockets. The shoes are great. And the tip when you're going into Adidas, if you're buying shoes, if you look for the items with the blue box, they're the Originals kind of fashion style shoes.
Like streetwear type
Streetwear,
stuff.
so you can just wear it out. And the blue boxes are those, and the black boxes are running shoes and active shoes. So that's when you're looking at the shoe wall, it can be quite overwhelming.
Yeah.
Cool. So now we have Michelle as well. She's wearing Adidas Originals, looking kind of cool. Nice retro colour. Do you want to turn around, Michelle? Because I love the orange on the back of your tights.
Oh yeah.
Got the orange on the top. Adidas branding on the crop. And these shoes are a great deal. So the shoes today, they're a super sleek platform shoe. They were $130, they're now $65. So that's great.
$65, that's a great bargain.
Yeah, great saving. Leather, really cute. All right, thanks guys.
Yes, some great finds from the new Adidas store. Make sure you check it out. And now Jodi has some of her biggest bargains that she's found in the sports stores.
So I've been shopping today. We've got some great deals. So I found some New Balance tees. These are 2 for $40, so $20 each.
That's
bargain for men and women. I went to Intersport. Now, Intersport is a store that has all different brands, but also they stock the NBA range, which no one else does in the centre. This is trending amongst all the teens lately, so these are like 10 to 30% off. They're authentic. They've got the basketballs, they've got the tees, they've got all the gear, so pop in there for a discount.
Yes, I can see my teenager being into that.
Yeah. So I've been to Adidas and found this super cute baby Adidas trackie.
Jodi, it's a little bit small for me, doll.
Sorry. How cute is it? It was $70. It's now $49. So if you've got a gift to give someone, that is super cute.
Yeah, the little three-stripe, always on trend.
Cute. We've got another Originals like crop kind of jumper. Great for a tween, I could imagine wearing that, or a teen. This hoodie was $100. It's down to $70.
That's a great price.
Really cute. Okay, I have been to Fila. Now Fila's got lots of great sales. Most of the stuff's like more than half price, so great deals. We've got a cute little set if you're walking down the beach and you've got a great bod.
Thank you.
Some hot pants. So they're $45 each. They were $70 each. So
I like a long
saving.
crop too. It's a lot more flattering, I reckon.
Yeah, it's really cute. We've got the tie-dye trend, which is cute. This one's was $70 down to $45.
Yeah.
They're unisex, so lots of the Fila stuff are unisex. So
I really like that one.
Boy or girl. We've got some swim shorts, so if you've got need a new pair of swimmers, they're only $40. Super cute.
Yeah.
Easy to wear.
Good length too, not too long.
Yeah, great. And then, bargain of the week, we have these Puma shorts. They've got heaps in stock. These are $40, they're $10.
$10?
Yeah.
That is bargain of the week.
Very, very inexpensive. Great. So now we're going to go to you and check out things that you love.
Yeah, and it's a little bit to do with wine. You won't be surprised to hear. Okay, so I've had a little shop. Now, Converse is one of my favourites, and a few people might not know that they've actually moved. So if you go to the normal spot where you've been looking for Converse, you need to go a little bit further around the mall.
Yeah, they've moved to the sports section, but this deal is amazing.
Yeah.
So if you buy one, you get an additional seasonal pair for 50% off. So you could do like a family shop.
Yep.
Yeah.
I have 3 girls, so if I can get 50% off the second pair, then that is going to save some money. These are really cute, and I reckon my 17-year-old will like a platform, so they're really cool. Okay, then I popped across to Minimax. I'm not a great cook, but when I do cook, I want to have the best. So this looks like a great little pan with a nice little cream, which I think is going to look good on my bench tops.
Look great.
Because I choose not what cooks best, but what looks best.
Yeah,
What kind
this
of
is
price?
ceramic as well, so it's very, very healthy. None of the chemicals or toxins get into your cooking, and it's made in Italy, so super hard wearing. And the price on that one, it was $119.95. It's only $69.95, so great price.
Yep, I can see myself frying my eggs. Now, you've got to have a sharp knife block. This has got a price on it that's a little bit eye-watering. It says $459 for the knife block, but it's much cheaper.
Yeah, you're saving $260 for outlet, so that was $459. It's down to $199, so it's a bargain.
Yep, okay. I have left the best to last. I'm just a social drinker, but if I did want to take my wine on the go, I can pour it in here, my little cheeky rosé, when the kids are driving me crazy, and then it's like a keep cup. You could even pretend that you were drinking coffee. You could say, Mummy's having a little coffee, but it's wine glasses.
It's a travel wine set. That one's from Minimax. It was $86.95. It's now $49.95, and it keeps your wine cool for the whole day, apparently, so that'll be fantastic.
Well, I can drink it really slowly then. Now, what have you found?
I have found homewares. So Adair's is amazing. I don't think I've bought full price sheets for like 12 years. So I shop Adair's for all my sheeting and bedding. So I'm always looking for pillowcases here. They're great. So they've got a bamboo cotton set. That's like a standard pillowcase. It's only $9.99. How cheap is that? And they were $69.99. So that's a huge.
That's a big
$60
saving.
off.
Well done.
So bamboo's really cool for your skin. Doesn't make you sweat, so that's a great buy.
And our pandas like to eat it also. So you could always feed it to Wang Wang and Funi.
We could. I get my Europeans, I change my Europeans up just for a little bit of a different look each week when I change my sheets.
That's a bigger pillowcase, the European,
that's the
is
bigger
it?
Europeans.
Yeah.
They range in stores from like $2.95 to like $15 for a pillowcase.
Wow.
Some of these used to be $49.99 each. So yeah, you're saving $40 per pillowcase.
Good shopping.
Saving. The girls in Adair's say the trend this season is the Australiana kind of theme.
Yeah.
So this is a really cute little bedspread with Australian wildflowers, which is on sale. That's a queen. And then we've got a cotton sheet set to go with. This one is $199 and now it's $99.99. So you're saving $100 on that one. We've got some cushions as well, so if you want to...
I love a cushion. You can't have too many cushions
you
on
can't,
your bed.
and it's a cheap update. So these were $69.99, they're now $29.99, and these come over from like the full price store. So if you keep your eye out on Adair's and visit maybe every couple of weeks, you'll get new season stuff at like outlet prices.
Good shopping.
Okay, that's it, Beck. We're finished now, done all the outfits, done the looks. You're wearing an outfit from Sea today. How gorgeous is it?
Yeah, I love this. It is a top and skirt, so you could mix and match it. $110 for both, and I also tucked this in a bit earlier as well, and it looks more like a dress that way. I love it.
Yeah, gorgeous. And I'm wearing a seed skirt and a Cuba blazer and cami, so that's half price as well and on sale. And that's it for the episode. So next time we're going to do fashion.
Yeah, so if you are interested in ladies' fashion and men's fashion, tune in for our next episode of Outlet TV. Thank you for joining us. Thanks, Jodi.
Thanks. Bye.
All prices in today's episode are correct at the time of filming. For updates on anything you've seen in today's episode, please head to our website.